Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Today we're going to be opening up my spring Walmart beauty box, so if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep watching. Walmart beauty box is my favorite and longest subscription. One, it's seasonal, so you only get it 4 times a year, and it's about $7 with tax, so it's under $10. So total, you're going to be spending under $40 a year on this, which is amazing. This is mostly samples, which I'm totally okay with because it's normally like sample sized creams or deodorants that I will throw in my pocketbook or keep by my bed, and I always end up using them all up. The past couple of boxes have been really good, so I'm very excited to see what's inside this one. So let's open it up. Here's the inside. First up, we got the CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. Fun fact, CeraVe actually sent these to me, and I've really been liking it. So these are just good to always keep on hand. Next up is a Degree Advanced 72-Hour Motion Sense Dry Spray in Sexy Intrigue. Like I said, always get a little travel deodorant. I love sticking these in my pocketbook because I work retail and it gets very hot in the summer. Also, sometimes I get very lazy and don't feel like going to CVS or Walmart for restocks, so I'll use these little sample sizes until I'm not feeling lazy. Next up, we have these Nair Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. I'm a little scared to try these because every time I've tried Nair, it's always been a very bad experience. Especially these wax strips. I've been doing my own laser recently, so I don't know how much use I will get out of these. Maybe I'll give them a try, because when I did try them, I was in high school and I didn't really know what I was doing. Since then, I did go to cosmetology school and I know how to wax. Maybe I'll give them a try. And last, we got a Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. I've never tried this before, so I'm excited to give this a try. It's just a little mini powder, which will probably last me forever. I feel like I totally jinxed myself when I said that I've gotten so many good boxes. This one, in my opinion, was a flop. I've gotten a deodorant, I feel like, in every single box since, which again, I don't mind, but I'd rather get like a toothpaste at this point or a soap, something other than deodorant. And the wax strips, I'm kind of afraid to try. I'm not totally mad that this was a flop because it was $7 and change, so I really can't be that mad. Hopefully the summer box is much better. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you get Walmart Beauty Box, tell me what you got. And that is it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.